Hardcore performance. Fully equipped. LX-T28 Laser Tube Cutting Machine. Empowering efficient production. Semi-automatic loading for time-saving efficiency. Supports tube diameters 20 to 280 millimeters. Loading length 5,500 to 12,000 millimeters. And max single tube load of 500 kilograms. 1G high-speed stable cutting with smooth operation and plus or minus 45 precision control. 0 tail material cutting for maximized material utilization. Servo following support system enabling continuous material support during cutting, prevents tube sagging and deformation, ensuring cutting accuracy. Full profile cutting. The preferred choice for multi-industry mass production. Precision cutting delivers superior quality performance.